There are a number of different police tests that you might actually have to write when you're actually applying. One of them that's most frequently used in Ontario is called the PATI, the Police Analytical Thinking Inventory. Now this contains basically 6 types of questions. A lot of it is math-based. The first types of questions, you answer 15 of them, would be straight math questions such as addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, possibly working with fractions and dealing with simple algebraic equations. The second component of the PATI was be referred to as the problem-solving component, which is basically applied math. So you get a question such as Johnny has 6 apples, he needs to pick up a couple more apples. How many apples total would they have? They're word problems that you have to use math to solve. The other component is the mapping component. Now the mapping component, you'll be given a grid of different blocks, and each of the squares in this example here represents 1 square block. You'll be asked how long it would take to get from one block to another using a variety of transportation methods. Now this can be varied up, where they'll throw in different variables such as this stretch of streets is closed for a parade, or you can only use this type of vehicle on these types of roads, or every time you make a change in a corner you have to add 30 seconds to the trip. So there's quite a few variables that come into play, but that would be a mapping style question. On top of the mapping, you'd also have syllogism type questions, and these are logical word problems that you have to basically ignore all outside influence and just think about what's actually written in the question to answer. An example of that would be, all poodles are dogs, all dogs have 4 legs, what logical conclusion can you reach? Some people find these difficult because they've never actually encountered them before. Another type of question you're going to have to deal with is figure series questions, which is basically they're going to be giving you a pattern, a couple of images which are changing, and you have to predict which the 4th and final image is going to be. And the final type of question on the exam is a matching style question. And that basically involves, they'll give you a set of 4 images, and you have to look at that and see which image doesn't belong.